Hello Primary 3, how are you? I am so happy to be with you today. I hope you are fine. Today we have a new lesson. It's about hundreds. Hundreds is the third place or the new place of the number we take before ones, tens. Today we have hundreds. Okay, let's see the place of each number. The place value and the value. Now, how many this block represent ones? Ones equal no zero, have no zero, and this block represent tens. Tens have 1 0, like 10. 10 have 1 0, and this block represent hundreds. The hundreds have how many zeros? 2 zeros. 100 have 2 zeros. Okay. Now we need to read the following numbers. The numbers will represent by blocks. This block represent 100. How many block from this? From 100? 1, 2, 3, 300. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And from this block that represent ones, 1, 2, 2 ones. Now we need to read this number. We have a new way. We can expanded number. Expanded number, that means we put the zeros of each number. Hundreds have how many zeros? Have 2 zeros, so it will be 300, 3 and 2 zeros, plus 50 have 50 because we have 5 tens, plus how many ones? We have 2 ones, so ones have how many zero? Have no zero, equals 352. 300, I will start from 100, 352. I will read again, 352. Now, how many blocks of 100? Another example. How many blocks of 100? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 600. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. Now to read this number, we will expand the number. Let's do expanded. 6, I will put 600, I will put 2 zeros, 600. Tens have 1 zero, so it will be 40. Ones have no zero, so it will be 7. Now we have 647. 647. 647. 100 equals 10 of tens. We said that before. 100 equals 10 of tens. And 100 equal 100 of ones. 1 of hundreds equal 10 of tens. 100 equal ones. 100 ones. Let's complete the following. We have 900s. We said before 900s. How to write? Hundreds have 2 zeros, so I will put 9 and 2 0. It will be 900. 300. Hundreds have 2 0. I will put 2 zeros, 3 and 2 zeros. 300. Okay, now we have what dots 100 equal 500. Word of 100 represent 2 zeros, so I can put word 100 and 2 zeros. So which number left didn't put 5? So I will put 5. Dot hundreds equal 400s. We said before, word of hundreds represent 2 zeros. So I can't put 2 zeros and 100. 2 zeros or 100. Okay, which number left didn't put in the other side? 4. So I will put 400s. 200 equal how many tens? We said before 100 equal 20. So 100 equal 10. 100 equal 10. So 200s equal how many tens? Yes, 20. 800s equal how many tens? Yes, 80. Okay, now I have 40 hundreds. We said it's 40 tens equal how many hundred? 40 tens equal just 400s. Dot hundreds equal 60 tens. We said 10 of tens equal 100. So 60 of tens equal 600s. We have 500s equal dot ones. How many ones? We said before that 100 equal 100 of ones. 500 equal how many ones? 500 ones. Yes. We have dot hundreds equal 300 ones. 300 ones represent 2 or 300s. Next, we need to choose the correct answer. The place value of 5 at the following number. To read the following number, we need what? To put the places ones, tens, 100, 300 and 45. We need to know the place value of 4. 4 in which place? Place value meaning the number in which place? The number in which place? The number in 4 in tens. Yes. Number 2, the place value of 0 at 402. Let's put 100 ones or tens. Let's put the place value. The places ones, tens, 100. 0 in which place? 0 in tens place. Number 3, the place value of 6 at 632. Ones, tens or 100. Let's put the places. 3 in which 6 put the place ones, tens, 100. The place will be 100. Sorry, he put the dash in underline 3. It has to be underline 6. But the place value of 6 in this number is 600 because it's in 100 place. Now we have the place value of 1 at 201. Tens, ones or 100. We said before, first step, put the places ones, tens, 100. Ones, 1 in which place? Ones. Number 5, the place value of 5 at 359. Ones, tens or 100. 5 in which place? First I will put the places ones, tens, 100. 5 in which place? 5 in tens and 3 in hundreds. Complete the following. Complete the following. The place value of 9. Complete the following. The place value of 9 at 369 is, I will put the places ones, tens, 100. 9 in which place? In ones, right? Number 2, the place value of 4 at 488. 4 in which place? Ones, tens, 100 in which place? 100. 4 in 100 place. Number 3, the place value of 0. 0, I need to know the place value. Which place? The number in which place I will put the places? Ones, tens, 100 in which place? Tens. Excellent. Number 4, the place value of 7 at 746 is, first step I will put the places ones, tens, 100. 7 in 100 place. Number 5, the place value of 2 at 528. 2 in which place? Root the places ones, tens, 100. 2 in which place? In tens. Okay, the value meaning write the digits with 0. Write the digit with 0. First we have to underline the digit. Number 2, we have to write the place value, the places. Don't forget the value meaning how many 0. Choose the correct answer. The value of 3 in at 453. The value of 3. 3 in which place? I have to put first the places ones, tens, 100. It's in ones place. We said before, ones have how many 0? Ones have no 0, so it will be 3. Number 2, the value of 9 at 905. Value of 9. First, we have to put the places ones, tens, 100. 9 in which place? In 100. So 100 have how many 0? Have 2 0. So it will be 900. Number 3, the value of 6 at 126. First step, put ones, tens, 100. I will put ones, tens, 100. So 6 in which place? In ones. Not ones have how many 0? Have no 0. So I will put 6. Number 4, the value of 0 at 820 is 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros. First I will put the places ones, tens, 100. So ones in which place? In ones. But ones, the value of ones in any place, the value of ones in any place will be 0. The value of 0 in any place, the value of 0 in any place will be 0. The value of 5 at 523 is 523. I will put the places ones, tens, 100. In 100 place, so it have 2 0, 500. Complete the following. We need to know the value of 6 at 469. What we have to put the first? Ones, tens, 100. 6 in which place? In tens. So it have how many 0? Tens have 1 0, so it will be 60. Number 2, the value of 0 at 909 is the value of 0. First step, what I have to do? Put the places ones, tens, hundreds. 0 in which place? 0 in tens. But wait, we said before, the value of 0 in any place will be 0. The value of 0 in any place will be 0. Number 3, the value of 8 at 238. First step, put the places ones, tens, 100. 8 in which place? In ones. So it have how many zero? Ones have no zero, so it will be 8. Number 4, the value of 1 at 139. 139. The value of 1 is ones, tens, 100. Excellent. 1 in which place? 100. 100 have how many zeros? 2 zeros. 2 zeros. So it will be 100. Again, the value meaning the number have how many zeros? Complete the following. We need to find the place value. Place. That means the number in which place. The number in which place. The place value of 3 at 539 is, I will write the places ones, tens, 100. So 3 in which place? In tens. He need the place value. Place. The number in which place. The place value of 6 at 236 is, we said the places ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, 100. 6 in which place? In ones. Number 3, the place value of 0 at 454. The place value. That means that number in which place? Ones, tens, 100. In ones. Number 4, the place value of 8 at 867 is, of 8, I will put the places ones, tens, 100. 8 in which place? In hundreds place. Thank you for your listening. I'm so happy to be with you today. I will meet you again in other lessons. Thank you. Goodbye.